Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to flip on eBay. Want to make quick profits by flipping products on eBay? Today I'll teach you how to flip items the smart way and build a side hustle or even a full business. Now in this video tutorial, I'm just gonna give you some information, some instructions and some tips on how to flip on eBay. So let's follow these instructions together. The first step is to find profitable items. Look for undervalued products at thrift stores, garage sales, Facebook Marketplace, or clearance aisles. Best categories are electronics, collectibles, vintage clothing, shoes, and books. Second thing you want to do is to research before buying. Now, use eBay sold items filter to check recent sale prices. You can do that by going to eBay and look for a type of products. For example, I'm just gonna look for Nike shoes, and in the filter here in the left sidebar, go and look here for the show only and click on sold items, and here it will display some of the products that sells most. Now only buy that items that have a good selling track record. And for the third step is to list it professionally. Take a clear photos from different angles with honest and detailed description, and set competitive prices or start auctions for rare items. The fourth step is to ship quickly and carefully. Offer fast shipping, it boosts your reputation, and pack items securely to avoid refunds and bad feedback. And for the fifth and final step, reinvest your profits. Use your profits to buy more inventory, scale your flipping business. Flipping can become a great income stream if you stay consistent. Always factor in eBay fees and shipping costs, and start small and learn your local market and build a reputation with positive feedback. And this was it for today's tutorial. That's how you flip on eBay. If you liked this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave comments below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.